Where's the labor?
You're on my house now, biatch. Hello, my name is Bertimus, and welcome to an episode of Guess That 90's Sound! Okay, we have two contestants with us today. One is Michael. Say hi, Michael.
Hey guys.
And our other contestant is Kira.
Hi.
Today they will be going head to head trying to guess the 90's sound first. There is a bell in front of them, and the first person to ring it will be able to make a guess as to what it is. If they are unable to guess it correctly, the other person may jump in for a steal. Now, let's get started. All right, contestants, why don't we go ahead and play sound number one? All right, Kira.
Baywatch theme song.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect.
Oh.
Sorry. Michael, for the steal, would you like to guess what that was?
Can we hear it again?
Yes, you can.
Oh, there's more. I don't even have a guess.
I'm sorry, the correct answer we were looking for was the Pokemon theme song.
Oh god, I should have known that.
I wouldn't have known that.
Neither contestant was able to guess that one. Let's hope they do better in round two. All right, let's play round two.
Ooh,
Michael.
Home Improvement.
All right, you get a point. There is a possible bonus extra point if you can give me the name of the character that makes the sound.
His name's Tim, the Toolman Taylor.
You nailed it. So that's 2 points to Michael. Kira, let's hope you can bring it back in the third round. Let's move on to round number 3. Michael.
I'm gonna go ahead and say that is a PC notification noise.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Kira, would you like to try a chance at a steal?
AOL Instant Messenger?
That is a close guess, but you are incorrect. It is MSN Messenger.
And Messenger.
MSN.
I was an AOL girl in the 90s.
Likewise.
Yeah. All right, going into the fourth round, it still looks like we have Michael in the lead by 2 points. Can Kira make a comeback? Let's find out. Let's have round number 4. Kira, what is your answer?
Dial-up internet.
That is the correct answer.
The nightmarish noise from our childhood.
That was great noise. It meant you were connected. Like,
Just
the
like,
world is at our fingertips.
like the devil coming through your phone line though.
Fantastic. Well, it looks like Kira's starting to make a comeback. Let's see if she can continue the roll. Let's move on to round number 5. Michael.
That would be the theme song to Seinfeld.
That is correct. That's another point for Michael, keeping him at a solid lead of 3 points to Kira's 1. All right, let's move on to round 6. Would either contestant care to wager a guess? Kira.
The Tamagotchi noise?
That is incorrect.
Is it the sound of a beeper?
Technically correct, but does not count for this answer. For a half point, I will give you a clue. It is the sound of a communicator from a popular television show. Michael.
Is it Power Rangers?
For a half point, Michael's got it with Power Rangers.
Yes.
Yep.
That was tough.
So Michael is still in the lead with 3.5 points to Kira's 1 point. Let's see if they can switch this thing around. Moving on to round number 7. Michael.
It's the Windows startup noise. No,
No,
it's
it is
not the
not.
Windows startup noise. I want to say it's a game console startup noise.
So you have not currently yet locked in an answer. You were going to go with the Windows sound and then switched it to game console. I'm going to need a solid answer from you in the next 3 seconds.
I'm gonna go with game console, PlayStation.
That is incorrect. Kira, would you like to try a point for the steal?
Can I hear it again?
Yes.
I know it. I'm gonna kick myself. Is it Sega?
That is incorrect. For a half point, I will give you a clue. Michael totally misled you with the game console theme. It is not game console or game manufacturer related in any way.
Is it the noise before a movie is played to test your speakers?
That answer is incorrect.
Viacom.
Also incorrect. The correct answer was actually the Windows 98 boot up sound.
Didn't I say computer startup at the beginning?
That's what you said, and then you changed your answer to game console.
Son of a...
Moving on to round number 8.
The Nokia cell phone I said earlier.
Yes, the Nokia cell phone is the correct answer. That brings Kira up to 2 points, and Michael is at 3.5.
That half point though.
I know.
That half point
I know.
We're starting to close this thing out. Can Kira bring it back? We are going to find out. Round number 9. Michael.
This one is gonna be the PlayStation startup noise.
That is correct.
Didn't have a PlayStation in the 90s. I had the old like Nintendo, like the box thing that they put the
NES?
cards still in. Yeah.
That brings Michael up to 4.5 points and Kira at 2. With 1 round left, it is unlikely that she will be able to bring it back. Let's see who can get the final point of our challenge in round 10.
No!
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
That is correct! That's all we have for our challenge today. Michael was our overall winner, with Kira putting on a damn fine show.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on a playground is where I spent most of my days, chilling out, relaxing all cool and shooting some b-ball outside of the pool when a couple of guys said we're up to no good, starting little trouble in the neighborhood.
Got
One little fight, my mom got scared and she moved with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air.